Hey there, let's be honest. Keeping track of all your passwords is a real pain, from email to bank accounts, social media, and much, much more. It seems like we're drowning in passwords. But what if I told you there's a simple way to manage all of them without the stress? That's why you need a password manager. And today I want to show you why Proton's free password manager, yes, you heard it right, free password manager, could be the best decision you make for your online activity. Proton offers a fantastic free password manager that lets you store unlimited passwords securely. Now, there's no trick to that, they really do. All of your passwords for free. Now they have a paid version that offers some additional features, but you don't need that at this point. You can decide later on if you want to upgrade it. You can create strong, unique passwords for every account without the hassle of remembering them all. And you can share the passwords secure with your spouse or anyone you need to share them with. Just look at how easy it is. See the purple diamond in the login fields? Just click on the diamond in the email and the password fields, and Proton fills it in for you. No more guessing or getting frustrated. And with all your passwords securely stored, you can focus on stronger, unique ones that are truly safe and hard for hackers to crack. And it's just as easy to create a login and set up a tightly encrypted password. It doesn't matter how jumbled the password looks, you never have to type it in. And it's the same on all your devices. Click on the link in the description to sign up for Proton's free password manager right now. It's free and it's secure. And it could save you a lot of headaches down the road. And I've got more good news. Next week, I'm releasing a full step-by-step guide on how to set up and use your password manager like a pro. To make sure you don't miss it, sign up for my newsletter listed in the description down below, but it's the best way to stay in the loop. Once you start using Proton's password manager, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. So go ahead, sign up now, and I'll see you next week with the complete instructions you need to get started.